Hey, this is Morgan Titus, Sales Manager in the Greenville location for America's Home Place. We're here out today at somebody's basement and it's hot outside here in South Carolina. It's one of those summer days. It's warm here in the basement too. This house is still under construction and in the process of getting the AC up and going and getting that installed. So we're feeling it here in this house today. America's Home Place definitely builds basements. We do it as often as customers would like to. Because we build our houses on your land, it depends on what your land looks like, if you'd like to do a basement or not. Obviously, land and money drives the basement because basements cost more than a crawl space foundation. When you talk about basements, you're basically talking about two separate things, the walls and the ceiling or the floor system for the first floor. With the walls, we're really talking about two different materials. We're talking about block foundations. That's what you see behind me. We're also talking about poured wall foundations. Different locations offer different things, but those are essentially the two types of basement options for walls. What you see above me is a 2x10 floor system. There's three different types of floor systems. There's a 2x10 floor system, there's an I-joist floor system, or there's a web truss floor system. We're excited for you guys to learn more about your options and especially your basement options. Please visit our website at americashomeplace.com and we'll get you sorted out.